In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Calamity Seal here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, make your way over to a teleporter and go ahead and fast travel over to Academy Island. Once you're on Academy Island, go ahead and make your way into the main area. And if you just fall on the main area, you're going to see the boss summoner right here. If you interact with this guy right here, you can actually go ahead and use the Calamity Seal to spawn in the boss. Once you go ahead and spawn in the boss, you can go ahead and just take out the boss. It's the Demon King boss. And to be honest with you, he's not like super difficult to go ahead and take out. He does have a decent amount of health though, so just keep that in mind. Once you go ahead and take him out, you can make your way up on top of this guy right here. And you can also use some of those Calamity Seals in order to get the Demon King, purchased as well. But that's the full process. That's what you use the Calamity Seal here for in Sailor Piece on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.